there, and then you back me on the
Prologue. It's been set up for a pro. I just drank a load of antifreeze before the start. And I'm absolutely shit. What did you do?
I drank antifreeze.
Oh my god! Right, we're here in Serbia at round 3 of the World Hard Enduro. I've got no idea why I'm here, I'm completely out of my depth. I bought a 2-stroke for the first time a couple of weeks ago, put 4 hours on it. Captain Adventures has brought the bike over and servicing it for us this week. And then we've got Brad from Rutherford Racing giving it some tune-ups. I mean, this, believe it or not, was brand new 2 weeks ago, and now it looks like it's done about 1,000 hours, all the tops off, and God, it looks a mess, but I'm assured that it's going to be good.
100%. So we're putting a TSP setup on it, which is different cylinder heads. Got this new power valve cover, which gives it a bit more bottom end. And we remapped the ECU with one of the cool little ERM kits. So that makes it easier to ride, gives it a bit more power.
So my brother's there with his gas. There's the old man. And we're gonna have a wicked time, so let's get this bike done and then get on this practice track.
Yo.
Cheers, mate. What's that, Brad?
So we're just fitting a head insert in this. So these are a two-piece head now. So that's the easiest way to do it, really, is put a new insert in, and that changes the compression ratio and changes the squish bands and geometry of the head, which basically makes them smoother, more powerful, more controllable.
Wicked.
Yeah.
That'd be good when I'm pushing it up a hill, will it?
Should prevent you from pushing it up a hill, yeah.
What's this shitter then?
Shitter?
Yeah. The top one's over there.
Yeah. But you haven't got that yet, have you?
No, but I got better. I got the Metzler ones.
Ren's got road tyres on.
Yeah.
He's straight
I got
the TT's finished. TT. A motocross pipe, because KTM only makes one.
Yeah.
So I mean, they don't work too bad, but these are specifically designed for the port timing on this cylinder.
Yeah.
So they produce just better power, like easier power.
I mean, it looks
more
trick as hell as well.
Yeah, more power from the
Christian, you got one of these?
bottom.
Nah, I don't think I'll need it.
Let's get her on.
Factory pipe then, Bryn?
Absolutely. That's a bit of a piss take. I've got to put it on myself though. Don't know if
That's actually not that factory if you've got to put it yourself, is it?
Look how trick it is.
It looks good.
Full titanium. No, it's not really, but it looks titanium. To the untrained eye, i.e. me.
What do you reckon? Day one or
Bent?
Prologue?
Oh, the Prologue on a log.
I'm going to go Prologue on a big log.
Dented.
Yeah.
Oh god. Right, leave you to it.
Well, I'm changing your sprocket at the minute.
What's going on?
Well, we're going factory gearing.
Yeah.
But we're going to go up in the woods and do it now.
But what is it? What is it? 12 at the front.
12 at the front, and then you've got a 48 at the back, and I'm going 1250 because I'm a bit better in all the sort of faster stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. We got
chain guide. So these are stock chain guides. They've got an aluminium shank in them, and basically what happens, it's good for motocross, they're designed for that, but because they share a lot of parts, they're not good for hard enduro. So if this gets hit with a rock, it bends, and what that does is it derails the chain. We had one come off one of our team bikes at the Valleys hard enduro, so we put in these on, and you can see on the KTM factory bikes they run an all plastic one as well, or an all high density polythene.
Nice.
So these are a good little unit.
Sick. Get it on.
So we're at the point of putting this new map on. So we're using the TSP.
Hang on, I saw you clip past the Pro and onto the Basic.
So these are different.
No, I want the Pro one, mate.
I don't know if we've got access to the Pro one. Pro if you finish silver.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good deal.
So, and then
we all heard that.
then we just flash it on, and then it just flashes away, and then loads the map up, and it should be lovely.
And so what's it actually doing to my bike?
It's doing now, so there's a bunch of different maps on your ECU. There's a fuel map, there's ignition map, and a power valve map, and an oil map, and they're just modified to get the most out of the motor, really.
Cool.
So they're easier to ride because it produces more power at the bottom.
Yeah.
And yeah, just better part throttle performance.
So why wouldn't a bike come at optimum?
So they're
from
tuned.
factory?
Yeah. So these bikes they're enduro bikes, and they're tuned for trail riding, really, and they're really good, really lovely trail bikes. So in a race application, you want them more on the limit, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're just getting the most out of them. So
More bang for my buck.
basically, yeah,
wicked.
So that's what we do. Yeah, make the most of every little bit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Should we go out there and chuck it down the hill?
Yeah,
Let's
go
do
for
it. Right, we're in the woods. First day, bike's just been set up for me, but it's been set up for a pro, and I'm absolutely shit. So yeah, we're in the first woods. We've already got stuck and demoralised a few times. This grass is a bug, and then you get underneath it's slippy rocks. But having fun. Need to remember that we're here for a good time and a long time
And a hard time.
and a hard time. And it's called hard enduro for a reason, and you're not expected to fly up every climb. So yeah, shock to the old system. Good fun though. Let's crack on.
Told him.
Grant, what are you doing?
Taking the...
That cost me 100 quid, that.
Yeah. I'd give you 100 quid not to use it.
What? Why are you doing that? What's the idea of it?
This is way too hard.
Yeah,
So we're going to try and take a little bit out so we got a bit more squish, but
Yeah.
this is too hard.
yeah. So
You
the
should've-
tyre just like deforms the whole way over. That's the
over
idea.
things, molds over it instead of ping you off like a ping pong ball.
So that's why I was shit yesterday, was it?
That's why you were shit yesterday.
So I'll go like the stink today, will I?
You will.
Flaying,
Nice. You'll grip and you'll be wheeling everywhere.
Big loop out there.
Yeah.
Talent increased device.
Yeah, so that you put a mousse in and you have to drill holes and do all sorts of stuff to get it like soft, to the tyre deflates over all the rocks and all that.
Fucking chewing it.
What do you do?
I drank antifreeze
Out of a bike radiator.
in a bottle. Oh my god.
Stop fucking shitting it. Dave, let's have it. This is what we're doing now.
Prologue. This is our first practice lap of the Prologue. And I just drank a load of antifreeze before the start.
Fucking hell. How do you feel?
Pushing it.
Yeah.
actually up now though.
This is a mystery tour.
We can just get up there.
I like this.
This is proper, isn't it?
Yeah. Go on, boy. Yeah!
But look, you don't want to be tough. You want to have your back wheel. So you're like, your back wheel's higher than it, you're sort of turning across it. Bring your front wheel up a bit. Start with your front wheel up a bit. Yeah, there.
What, so I'm pointing that way?
Yeah, so you're going to turn across it because if you go straight, it's steeper, isn't it? If you turn across it, you've got to cross the hill for.
You don't think I should pull my back wheel around to there a bit?
No, not to get it straight. No. You want your front wheel to sort of go through there, and then your back wheel up there. That's nice there. Now you've moved down a bit. Bring it back over the front wheel. There. Keep rolling back down on that one.
Yeah.
Your front there.
Yes, mate! Yes, mate!
Fuck it out.
Good boy!
Smooth, isn't it? I would never have done it like that.
No, wicked. Cheers, mate.
Love it. That will see if we can traction all the time.
Yeah.
So weight the outside peg.
Downhill peg. Yeah,
Downhill peg.
Outside, like you would in a corner
Yeah.
in a motocross track.
Yeah.
Weight the outside peg if it was a flat turn, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Keep it under you.
Oh, I'm often bothered now.
Yeah, well,
But that just shows, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I rode from there to there and watch how easy this one is.
yeah.
And it is. But then I got into a bit of bother there, so I turned around and I think we're just going to have to navigate. And I said to Brendan here, you see all this tall stuff, obviously felled.
I can avoid it.
Avoid that if it's bigger than the bracken, especially.
So we go straight, we go right.
We'll go up and just then we have to come back right.
Right, you are.
Racing.
Go on. Fuck that, go that way.
Road should just be down here, right? You see how I remembered to come over that bush as well? I was just heading back out thinking, I was like, oh shit, we need to get over that thing as well. That's proper in there, I like that.
Out in the wilderness, lost. Pull back. Right, Christian's having another go at qualifying at Prologue because he messed up the first one. So we're going to stick the GoPro on him. Actually, we haven't got a thing. And I'm going to film it. Hopefully he can manage a better one without crashing. There he is. Oh man, I'm done.
What happened then?
I'm stuck in the rocks.
You bleeding then, mate?
Yeah, I know.
You know as well. Fuck. Please, more, mate. Please.
Oh, sorry. Little snack, Christian, little lowdown of today.
Well, I'm making my jam sandwiches at the minute.
We got an early morning, haven't we?
We've got a really early morning. It's
Big
jam.
day.
Big day, about 4 hours tomorrow. So we've got to eat our jam sandwiches on the way to the
6
start
o'clock
line.
wake up.
Yeah, we've got about 4 hours of mountain climbing tomorrow to do. Yeah, big day, but
Today's mega. I got 4th overall in the quality in the Prologue. Christian got 15th. He didn't do the race thing that you'll see, but he did like the time this 15th. So I'll go 4th tomorrow. He'll go 15th. Let's go. Day 2. Today was Prologue. Next day is big day.